こんにちは、リカです。Today we are learning positional words. In last week's video, we learned あります and います。If you want to watch this video, please take a look at the playlist Beginner's Lessons Level 2, Number 6 Existence. Now let's begin. Last week we learned location に something があります or います。For the location, you can use words like home, room, Japan, Tokyo, and so on. You can also use words like under the table or in the box. These are the words that we will learn today. But before that, let's look at vocabulary for room, 部屋. Wall is 壁. Door is ドア. Window is 窓. Curtain is カーテン. Floor is 床. Sofa is ソファー. Desk is 机. Chair is 椅子. Table is テーブル. Now let's learn the positional words. These are the most common positional words that we use every day. Under the table, テーブルの下. 下 is under, down, or below. On the table, テーブルの上. 上 is above, on, or up. Between the box and the chair, 箱と椅子の間. 間 is between, and we have two objects, so we would use と, which is and. In front of the box, 箱の前. 前 is before or in front of. Behind the box, 箱の後ろ. 後ろ is behind or back. Inside the box, 箱の中. 中 means in, inside, or middle. Let's take a look at examples. ソファーの上に猫がいます.テーブルの下にボールがあります.壁とソファーの間に雑誌があります. Let's practice. 1. On the desk, there is a cat. 机の上に猫がいます. 2. In the box, there is a ball. 箱の中にボールがあります. 3. Under the chair, there is a pen. 椅子の下にペンがあります. 4. Behind the curtain there are cats. カーテンの後ろに猫がいます. For the Japanese sentence, the number of cats doesn't matter. The noun and the verb would not change. 5. In the room, there are a lot of books. 部屋の中に本がたくさんあります。たくさん means a lot of. It's used right in front of the verb. You can use it in different situations like I eat a lot. たくさん食べます。I read a lot of books. 本をたくさん読みます。And so on. 6. Between the book and the cup, there is a pen. 本とカップの間にペンがあります。7. On the floor, there is 桃。床の上に桃がいます。8. In front of Ken, there is 桃 and 花。Ken の前に桃と花がいます。Today we learned positional words with あります and います。Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, please subscribe. じゃあまたね。バイバイ。